Welcome back to Cryptopia, where we go over the digital Wild West that is NFT land. Today, Kaijira. Have you noticed how much dumber people are these days?
I'm just curious what your top 3 favorite countries are.
Hawaii, I guess.
Puerto Rico. Hawaii.
That's a great country. Hawaii's my favorite country.
Paris.
Paris, one more. That was great. Paris is my favorite country. I personally love Hawaii. Beautiful country.
Yes. If your first answer was no, yikes. If the answer was yes, that clip wouldn't surprise you. But either way, you'll want to check out Kaijira. Tiny arms but big brains, an upcoming project looking to build a bridge between the two brain cells most people have left. What is Kaijira? Kaijira is an all-animated supply of 7,777 NFTs that give you access to the future. Hear me out. The future of education. Nope, not like that. It's more like... That's more like it. A Web3 educational platform focused on creating a way for newbies who are interested in Web3 or, have been in the space but couldn't really figure out how to get working in it a way. It's kind of like a launch pad but for humans instead of NFTs. For the ambitious, not for the lazy. If you don't work hard, they feed you to a giant lizard. I don't make up the rules, so work hard. Now, a potential issue I foresee is the steady flow of students that may have to be coming and going throughout the project's current lifetime in order to keep things moving and interest up, much like any other university or educational platform. But if they have something of a, I cannot confirm this, but if not, maybe a beginner, intermediate, and advanced lesson plans would be good to keep older holders around. Not sure what the plan for the future in terms of a Gen 2 is, but for now, Gen 1 is about onboarding and education. With Kaijira, you come and you learn from the experienced Web3 employees and gain real-world experience through paid internships. Oh, did your ears perk up when I said the word money and apprenticeship? Well, they shouldn't have, okay, because I didn't say that. What I said was paid internship, bruv. You're there to learn, not to line your digital pockets. First you get the knowledge, then you get the money. Hoes come last. Let me tell you something, okay? Stay with me. It's a bit of a story. I once saw a man at the gym. He would lock his legs out on the leg press. He got off. Such a good guy that I am, a fucking saint, a fucking hero. I told the man, don't lock your legs. They might break. That happens. This man looked me in my optical sensors and said, it wasn't me. I just saw this nigga move from the machine to in front of me, but it wasn't him, and then left. Some people aren't meant to be saved. Kaijira isn't trying to save everyone, just the ones that are serious about Web3, serious about life, serious about making a change in this world for the betterment of mankind. But if you really just want to make some filthy ass money, this is still a good place to start. Knowledge is power. Sometimes the market is down, okay? It happens. So during these downtimes, wouldn't it be nice to still be able to do something else in Web3 other than stare at your YouTube waiting for reveal? Maybe that's just me. I would like something else to do. How does this work? Well, getting this NFT gives you the chance to learn any of the most important NFT positions currently out there, such as developer and cybersecurity. These are real-world statistics. There are over 1 billion hackings every second. Look it up. Oh, you probably can't because you just... For the rest of you, if you are interested in taking your development skills to the next level, or maybe you don't know anything, you don't even know the first bloody thing, and you need someone you can talk to, a pseudo classmate of mates you can message, well, then Kaijira, baby, might be worth it. Not financial advice, but it might be worth it. Next, Degen Caller, because people need to find newer, faster, fancier ways to lose their money. I'm joking. Learning to curate and run alpha groups is also on the rubric. Are you an artist? If you can't draw to save your life, then it's hopeless. Not even this NFT can save you. But if you have some shred of skill, then this may be the place to hone that skill and become an NFT artist. Learn from the ground up what is required of you. How to become the next Beeple, but with a cooler name. Because the Beeple sounds stupid. I don't care. You die after one sting. Useless human being. Moderator. Learn to moderate with moderation. See what I did there? I'm hilarious. Too much tomfoolery be happening in the discords these days. I can't tell you how much nonsensical BS I come across. So learn the tips and tricks, like how to use threats of taking away whitelists to command order over the chaos, how to turn friends against each other, how to make his girlfriend leave him for that whitelist. That's the kind of power you hold as a moderator. Threaten bans like you're a god during the Old Testament smiting fools. Does that sound good to you? Now, maybe you want to be a founder. Maybe you have an idea that most likely is going to fail anyways, but you think you've got what it takes to front run a project and are willing to put in the work it takes to not only execute on your vision, but manage a team of real human beings effectively. Then bro, take a look at Kaijira NFT. It might be able to help you do that. It might not. This is not financial advice. I don't fucking know. I'm just a guy. Now, it doesn't end there. Pretty much anything you can think of under the web umbrella, they'll provide a guide for. And we'll have professionals to do holder-only recorded sessions, teachings, AMAs, the works. So you get real-world advice that you can start applying right the hell away. At a current price of 0.01 ETH, around 20 USD, does that seem like a good bang for your buck? But hey, maybe you're a big pussy. I don't know you. Even after all the AMAs, after all the advice from chat, you still think you can't go out into the real world and get this shit done. We gotta work on your confidence, bro. Well, you know what? Lucky you, because the Kaijira team thought of you. And you'll get the chance to get an internship. Yeah, that's right. You'll be able to work in the field and get paid to do it. Yo, real life internships don't even pay you to do anything. I know, I had one and I didn't get paid for 3 months. Now, this isn't financial advice, but is it worth 20 USD for this level of education? Is that a good educational fee? Because I'll tell you, most schools will take you to the cleaners for literally no reason. Shove a bunch of useless elective courses in your face telling you you have to do these. Spending your money on nothing to justify taking your money. Ridiculous. Alright? So do you want to be a tiny arm, big brain bastard? If that's the case, then Kaijira, maybe baby. Maybe baby. So one of the cons that I see when it comes to the team is that I don't know who's who in this project. Now, I do know that they recently made an announcement that they would be sort of chiming in so people can get to know the team. So depending on when this comes out, you know, at the time that I'm recording this, that has not happened yet. Okay, so maybe it already has happened, but I will say this. Twitter handle, Yamar, is the founder and head of the Kaijira project. Known fairly well and active within the NFT space, and though I prefer fully doxed teams, members, Yamar is heavily involved in helping out other projects with their code, giving advice. Good guy, and has been in the space for a long time. With a background in cybersecurity, I wouldn't discount this project simply because of the undoxed team just yet. Being that this is the internet, sometimes, you know, being doxed does come back to bite founders and their team in the buttocks. But aside from the lack of doxing, curating a competent amount of professionals that can actually organize their thoughts to teach could be difficult. Not everyone is cut out to be a teacher, even if they have the knowledge and the experience in their chosen field. So getting that together from different positions may be a bit of a challenge, but with Yamar's connections and longevity in the space, hopefully that's a non-issue. You get me? Anyways, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. That's all I got for now. I'm going to be trying to make more videos on this. Also, some shorts. So as things progress. So be on the lookout for those. Until then, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this project down below. And I'll see you all next time. Also, go check out, if you are interested in them, I'm going to try and link it to all their stuff down below so you can go check them out. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.